Sometimes life breaks you just to see if you can rebuild yourself. There comes a moment in life when everything becomes silent, no messages, no support, no motivation, no one asking if you are okay. Just you and the pressure inside your mind. You start realizing something painful. The world only respects results, not your struggle, not your sadness, not your sleepless nights. And that truth changes you because one day life stops feeling soft, it becomes heavy. You wake up tired, you smile less, you trust less, you talk less, and slowly you become someone completely different. The saddest part, nobody notices your pain until you become successful. People will ignore you will you suffer, but suddenly remember you when you start winning. That's how this world works. So stop accepting people to save you. Nobody is coming. Not your friends, not society, not luck. If you want a better life, you must build it yourself. Yes, it's unfair. Some people are born with support, others are born with pain. Some people grow with love, others grow with survival, but pain has powerful. Pain can destroy you. You create a stronger version of you. The choice is yours. You can sit there crying about your past. Or you can stand up and become dangerous because strong people are not born strong. They are created by betrayal, by loneliness, by rejection, by sleepless nights. Every scar teaches something. Every failure changes something. Every dark night builds mental strength, and one day you stop fearing pain. That is the moment you change. You stop chasing attention. You stop explaining yourself. You stop begging people to understand you. And suddenly you become focused. That focus is powerful because distracted people talk, focused people build. Will others waste time complaining you work? Will others seek validation you improve? Will others sleep? You continue fighting your battles in silence. That's discipline, and discipline will take you place motivation never came. Motivation is temporary. Discipline stays. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel broken. Some days you will question everything. But keep going because your future is watching you. The person you become tomorrow depends on what you today. Remember this. Easy lips do not create it. Strong people. Comfort creates weakness, pressure creates power. That's why every successful person has a painful story behind them. Nobody sees the suffering, they only see the results. They see the money but not see the sacrifices. They see the confidence but not the depression that built it. They see the success but not the lonely nights. People only respect the final chapter, so stop worrying about being understood. Most people won't understand your version anyway. They will laugh at your dreams, they will doubt your journey, they will despair when life becomes difficult. Let them. You were never meant to follow weak people. You were meant to outgrow them. Sometimes walking alone is necessary because when alone teaches you everything, it teaches you discipline, it teaches you emotional control, it teaches you self respect, and most importantly, it teaches you how strong you really are. Never fear loneliness, fear becoming average, fear wasting your potential, fear living the same life for the next 10 years. Because times move fast. One day you wake up and realize life is almost over. So stop telling your greatness, stop waiting for perfect conditions. There is no perfect time. Start now, build now, suffer now. Your future depends on what you do during hard times. Anyone can smile when life is easy, but only powerful people continue when life becomes painful. That is what separates winners from everyone else. Winners don't quit because life gets hard. They become harder, and you must do the same. You must learn to control your emotions because emotions destroy focus. Anger, sadness, fear, controlling, or they will control you. The strongest people are not always the loudest. Sometimes the strongest person is the only silently rebuilding their entire life will nobody notice. That kind of strength is rare. Develop it and never seek revenge through anger. Seek revenge through success. Let your growth offend people. Let your discipline confuse people. Let your results silence people. Because in the end, success speaks louder than words ever will. One day the same people who ignored you will ask how you changed your life, but they will never understand the pain it took. The sleepless nights, the mental battles, the moments you almost gave up, but you kept going, that's why you will win. Not because life was easy, but because you refused to stay weak. So if life is hurting you right now, good. Pressure creates diamonds. The pain is rebuilding someone stronger inside you, someone disciplined, someone focused, someone dangerous. Don't waste the suffering, use it. Every difficult moment in your life is training. Training your mind, training your patience, training your strength, and one day everything will make some sense. You will realize the pain had a purpose, the battle had a lesson, the loneliness had a reason. It was all preparing you are a different version of yourself. A stronger version, a fearless version, a version that no longer needs validation from anyone. So keep moving forward even when nobody claps for you, even when nobody believes in you, even when you feel exhausted, keep going. Because your dream life is created during moments nobody sees, no to during comfort, not during excuse, but during sacrifice. Remember this forever. The world respects people who refuse to quit. So become unstoppable, become disciplined, become obstinate. We grow. And never let pain turn you weak. Let it turn you powerful. One day all the suffering will become your strength. And when that day comes, you won't need cravings, you won't need approval, you won't need attention, because you will finally become the person life tried so hard to